This is question 13 from the 2016 practice exam, and here we have some trig, and we want the third derivative of y equals cosine x minus ln of 2x. So I'm going to start, because we have some trig, I'm going to get my coordinate plane here, and if we remember, that's negative, the derivatives, we're just going to go this way around that coordinate plane. So I can already do a little bit of work and eliminate some things. If I think I'm going to start with cosine, right, and I'm going to take my third derivative, so I'm going from cosine, the first derivative is going to take me to negative sine, and then to negative cosine, the third derivative is going to take me up here to sine. So right away I know I'm going to either be A or C. So now it's really just a matter of I'm going to work with this one and find my third derivative. Now you can do them all at once if you want, but for me I'm just going to work my way through the third derivative of negative ln 2x. So I'm going to think I have negative ln 2x, and I'm going to find the derivative of that. So let's call that y. So the first derivative, dy dx, we got some chain rule, so this is 1 over 2x times the derivative of the inside, so we're going to get 2, and those will cancel out. I have negative 1 over x. Or this is negative x to the negative 1. Okay, now we need to take the second derivative. So we have d squared y over dx, second derivative. So I'm going to move, we already have negative, I'm going to move the negative 1 down in front and subtract 1, so that becomes negative 2. So at this point now, here, I get x to the negative 2. And I go one more step to get that third, and I can probably, okay, we're going to get the third, so I'm going to move the negative 2 down in front and subtract 1, and I'm going to rearrange it so it looks like what we have over here with the fraction. So now I'm going to get negative 2 over x cubed. So that is now A.